Animal around us. A snail. A snail. A parrot. A parrot. A dove. A dove. A buffalo. A buffalo. A tortoise. A tortoise. A swan. A swan. A grasshopper. A grasshopper. A mosquito. A mosquito. An ant. An ant. A mouse. A mouse. A goat. A goat. A cow. A cow. A frog. A frog.
Legs. Tail. Beak. Shell. Horn. Wings. Skin. Feather. Fur.
It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It has long tail. It has long tail. It has curved beak. It has curved beak. It has shell. It has shell. It has 2 horns. It has 2 horns. It has 2 wings. It has 2 wings. It has smooth skin. It has smooth skin. It has colorful feather. It has colorful feather. It has smooth fur. It has smooth fur.
This is a frog. This is a frog. A frog eats insects. A frog eats insects. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It has smooth skin. It has smooth skin. A frog can live in land and in water. A frog can live in land and in water. A frog likes jumping anywhere. A frog likes jumping anywhere.
This is a parrot. This is a parrot. It eats seeds. It eats seeds. It has 2 wings. It has 2 wings. Parrot has beautiful and bright feathers. Parrot has beautiful and bright feathers. It has curved beak. It has curved beak. Parrot can sing and talk like human. Parrot can sing and talk like human.
This is a buffalo. This is a buffalo. A buffalo eats grass. A buffalo eats grass. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It helps farmers plow the soil. It helps farmers plow the soil.
This is a cow. This is a cow. A cow eats grass. A cow eats grass. It has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. It gives milk as human drink. It gives milk as human drink. Is it a duck?
No, it isn't. It is a goose.
Do you think a goose eats grass?
I don't think so. A goose eats vegetables. Is it a snail?
No, it isn't. It is a frog.
Do you think a frog eats seeds?
No, I don't think so. A frog eats insect. Is it a grasshopper?
No, it isn't. It is an ant.
Do you think an ant eats sweet?
Yes, I think so.
Is it a swan?
No, it isn't. It is a parrot.
Do you think a parrot eats grass?
I don't think so. A parrot eats seeds.
Thanks for watching.